Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tensong menda kesengi ke apu praterik ujeliu ulaong bak sorkar kalapha hakatanat sor bahkan bisar benya ya kejington kamtam kibede bat kejingtawa ke harijan panchayat komiti ban ajaka mar aspa square meter ya kawai pakawai ke longieng lada kejingpun kriano syakawai ke caka nathem yo mulong hadu menta ke sorkar kampat la ban ongi tat hadu banyo ya ke kaipot halor kani Lakban kedau ke HPC kalabo kendon bak sorkar kadiban ajaka hai European World bat kumju ru lembat kepisa bak kencina yeng larapen kenria nak kecaka kebakidan menta hathem yo mulong.
I think right now the Urban Affairs Department, they are on the job. So hopefully very soon I will have again one more meeting, departmental meeting, means with all the concerned department, and thereafter I will also see whether the blueprint, as I already told you, whether the blueprint is ready or not. But very soon I'm going to call a meeting with the Urban Affairs Department and then with all other interconnected departments. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I cannot say anything right now until unless we have a meeting with the officials of the Urban Affairs Department as well as with other interconnected departments.